in order you to win singles match, you must have a good forehand overhead hitting skills, which is this action. Why? Because this action, you make drop, smash, clear. 3 very offensive hitting skills. If you don't have a good hitting skill, the level you can reach is limited. In order to play higher level, you must have a good forehand overhead hitting skills. Will been with me about 3 years. Before Will came to me, he has got his own old habit of hitting clear drop smash. Please have a look. Yeah. Okay. Can you do the old way? Yeah. Yeah, all the way. Yeah. Okay, again. Yes. Okay. Hands down a bit. Yeah, face straight. Yeah. One more. Okay. Yeah, okay. Well done. Okay, when I say stop, don't move, please. The old way now. All the way? Yeah. Ready? Yes. Okay. Stop. Stop. Okay, stay. Will is doing his old way of hitting. But he's not doing it in this way. But I'm asking him to do the old way to demonstrate the things I would like to point out. Now, the first one, very important thing. I can see many players are doing it. His racket, hands, arm, elbow is behind his head. So shuttle came from over there. Will is hitting to the other side, but if you look at it, the whole arm is behind. So look, from here, yeah, push me please forward. He can't push. Why? Two things. Because elbow is already opened and the whole arm, hands, racket is behind him. He can't really push it. Go, push it. Yeah, he can't push it. But if this arm is here, like that, side of his face, hands, elbow is there, then he can push, yeah, he can push harder. Now, in this way, two crucial problems, two big problems. Now, all the way, yeah, here. When he starts from here, he will stretch here, kind of same line as his head. He will stretch. So if he stretch, the important thing is he's not hitting to the ceiling. He is hitting forward. So from here, he has to push forward. Stop there, stop. This can cause stress to shoulder because he has to use this part to pull it forward. But imagine, if he's here, start here, he will stretch here, push. This part will have much less pressure. So the people who have this posture and forcing it like that likely have more injuries in this area because he has to pull it. But if the player stretch his arm here, it's much more natural and much more powerful than there, here. Yeah, all the way, please. Okay, please have a look where his impact is. Okay, now change please. Change, yeah. And then hit in front. Okay, now we are changing it to a different way. So look, set. When you are setting to hit the shuttlecock, please change it from there, my head is here, my racket, hands, arm is behind it. open the elbow here, and then hit it like this, here. There. And then you hit it here. Your accuracy. How can you hit accurately from here? Here. You cannot hit powerfully from here. The setting has to be your racket, hands should be set side of you, start from here, and you hit in front. Start from here, your action becomes greater in front. Here. But if you start from here, you have a big action at the back, and then hit small. You lose your accuracy, power, and balance. Look, if I hit this here, bang, ready. Or you do that here, and you hit it here, you lose balance. So set your racket, hands, side of your face. Not behind your head, not here. Please go to your club, try.